We're going to add a task from anywhere in the CRM system. On top you will find a plus sign. This is actually a quick navigation tool that allows you to create quickly several things here, amongst one of them a task. If I click on task, a pop-up will come up where I can put the subject of my task and all specifications. Here the due date is important because tasks are measured by due date, not by start date. Next, you can then select an activity category. Activity categories are defined by the agency and can be whatever the agency decides it to be. In this case, we, for example, can schedule a call. If this call is related to a specific person, that could be an account, an owner, or even properties and so forth, I select the related elements and I select my account that I want to relate this to. I can add more related items. For example, I could relate this to a property. I then simply save this and that will appear on my calendar on the date when I want this to be completed. For example, on June 8th, and I assign this to myself because I could also assign this to other people, and it needs to be done by, for example, 1 p.m. It can start at any time. If that is the case, then we can leave the date like this. But if that cannot start earlier, then I suggest that you also put this on the exact same date where this needs to happen. And for example, you could say it can start earliest at 9 o'clock that morning. Like this, I'm ready to schedule my tasks, and later on I can do reporting against that. So if I go look at my calendar now, you will see that on the 8th of June, I have my task set up. When the 8th of June arrives, I can simply go to my activities calendar, and there I will instantly see in my due tasks this appointment that I have to call. I could expand it just to have more information about what it's all related to. I even have the phone number handy here, and when my device is connected to a phone system, I could click this and the call would be made instantly. I also have information about the property. Mind you that behind here you always have access to the timeline to see what has happened on this property or what has happened on this account. So you do not have to navigate for that information. When I'm going to make my call, I will have feedback whether I have been able to contact the client or not, and whatever we have discussed. So that I would be putting on the timeline here with a comment. And there is my comment. Next, what I will do is I will change the status of this task to close it. Now I can move on to my next activities.